Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to feature channels on YouTube Mobile Android or your iOS. Okay, first things first, what you want to do is to open your browser. Since you can do this directly in the YouTube app, what you want to do is to open the browser on your mobile device. In here, access YouTube Studio. In the browser, type in studio.youtube.com in the address bar and hit go or enter. This will take you down to the YouTube Studio page. In here, sign in, if only prompted. Sign in with your YouTube account. In the request desktop site, this can help load the desktop version of the site for a better experience. Here in Access Account Settings, zoom in if needed to see the options clearly. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner, then tap Switch Account. Choose the YouTube channel where you want to feature other channels. Here in Access Channel Dashboard, once you have selected your channel, you'll be taken to your channel dashboard. And in here in Customization, you can access the customization options by tapping the icon that looks like three lines, usually found in the top left corner. In this menu, choose Customization. Here in Publish, once you have added the channels you want, tap the blue Publish button in the top right corner. And lastly, View Featured Channels. Now, when you go to your channel's main page, you'll be able to see the section with the featured channels. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make. So we can help you. And that's it. You now know how to feature channels on YouTube Mobile. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.